Ace band.
Are they Diego cars? And Dora's? Oh my goodness.
I want to wash.
You want me to get them out for you?
Yeah, I pay Diego's cars. I found Diego.
Whoops.
Oh, my crown.
Your crown fell off.
I can get it back on, don't worry.
I'm going to be a present. My crown.
It's a beautiful crown.
It's a beautiful crown, sweetie.
Here you go. Here's your cars. Oh, this one's Dora. This one's Diego's.
Damn, Grandpa should have got a crown.
I found another bunny.
Have little chocolate bunnies.
Those are chocolate bunnies. So those